I had 10 years where essentially I was doing parkour.
You did it professionally. Like, how do you get from that to motion design? Like, what's the route? Do you find it frustrating when there's this kind of message of ESG on the front of, like, you know, we're diverse, we're this, we're that, all trying to like have a PR press release about how good they are, but on the internals you just don't feel that?
Like, people don't generally speak out, and it's like when I come along, I'm just always being like, well, this is wrong, and this is why this is wrong. People are just a bit like, well, where the heck did you come from? I'm a brown man living in Croydon, and, you know, I've been racialized my entire life. So, you know, I understand racism to a degree. It doesn't mean I agree with it. It doesn't mean like, you know, I'm just going to let it slide. I mean, at the end of the day, a lot of people say that, oh, we're like artists, we should be like artists, but art is there to disrupt, man. It's not there to like stick with the status quo.